So what I really enjoy is watching other content creators do videos, talks, streams, whatever, and I would love to do that too. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is James. I'm currently working as an art director and lead artist in the game industry, and I've been at it for about 10 years now. I consider myself a real art generalist, from 2D concept to 3D modeling, wrapping, texturing, rigging, animating, even in engine, getting some technical stuff in, or designing. I really like to get my hands on as many aspects of game development as possible, and I really enjoy my work that I've been able to do that. I wanted to do YouTube content before, and I've really been struggling what kind of format I wanted to do it. I've been streaming a bit of games, I've made some videos about it, did some tutorials, but I wanted to do a little bit more. I really enjoy watching content from other creators that are talking about their approach and showing what they're doing, and even if it's not my expertise, I really like to see their way of thinking, to see if I can learn a thing or two from it. And I wanted to do that too. And I'd like to talk with you about some of them. I am mainly a 3D artist, so I will probably take the artist approach in some topics, but maybe that will help you enlighten some things or in the development process, or get a different point of view on how designing or developing works. And instead of just standing in front of the camera and talking to you guys, I wanted to do actual work and show you what I do and how I approach things. And I want to take you on the journey of especially the last couple of years, how the game industry has changed, how my workflow has changed, and how it will be changing in the future, with small challenges where I will recreate stuff, build new stuff, test some things out, and show you how I've done it and talking about it. I've started 10 years ago. We didn't have normal maps or bump maps, we just had albedo textures and maybe a roughness. And with all the photorealistic stuff you can do with the game engines and game development with the current tools, it's such a big step, and I thought it would be great to just look back and see how it evolved over the years, especially the last 2 or 3 years. So the first challenge that I want to do is recreate a 10-year-old environment. I will doing it from scratch because I made it in 3ds Max back then, and I was still learning Maya. And we've rendered it with V-Ray. It's if I open the file, it's quite a mess right now. So we're starting from scratch using Maya for the modeling, and I will bring it through Substance and get it into Unity in real time and see if I can get it as good looking as it did for me back then. So that will be a fun little challenge to see how my skills have grown over the years and how the tools have changed. And during that process and in the next video, I will talk about some of the new aspects and how that has changed, and take you on a little journey back to memory lane. Yeah, and just talk about game development and in particular 3D environments. If you're looking forward to this, be sure to like, subscribe, ring the bell icon so you get notified when the video goes up. And be sure to leave a comment down below to let me know what kind of content you'd like to see, and if you like the idea, so I can take that into account when making future videos. For now, that will be it, so I will see you in the next video where I will have a nice looking castle in Unity, and I will talk to you guys then. Bye.